feeling.
What is this law of attraction?
So people think that if you keep asking for something in your head, if you keep thinking about it, even if you're meditating, if you keep visualizing it, then one day maybe the
That's
universe…
the dumbest thing people can do in their life. Because the most important thing in one's life is to create intensity without intent. The biggest problem today in the world is we have taken to Western ways of life that we've all become goal-oriented. We want to get there. See, right now if you set a goal in your life, let's say from where you are, if you set a goal, how will you arrive at a goal? It's just an exaggeration of what you already know, isn't it? Can you set a goal about something that you do not know? So that means, in your entire life, only what you know will happen, nothing new will happen to you. What a terrible life is that? So the moment you start setting a goal for yourself, you are fixing yourself to a mediocre life. The important thing is to raise this life to the highest possible intensity. Life should unfold, your genius should unfold. Then, depending on the times, we will do what we have to do in the world.